All right, what's going on, everybody? Going to today's midday market recap. Um, Looking at the daily chart, we you see we're having a lot of some strong sell off today. I did actually get finally I took some trades today. After 2 days of no trades, I took a couple trades and I'm green right now. Um, So it looks like we're trying to head lower. The bears are trying to push the market down. Coming in here into the 5 minute, you see we're kind of battling in this area here. For the trades that I took, I got a little scalp here at the around the open. Um, I just took the trade and let it play out, and it I think I it took me out. I think it was like I think I got $50 off this move. And I didn't have another entry until down here. It's where I went short out for this, kind of a S curve. And um, this one, I didn't let it just, play about all the way. I um, I saw the price action. I saw the support here, and it was the price was kind of struggling to even get to the support. So I went ahead and took myself out of the trade. But um, even though I was green on this trade, that's good. But I kind of hate trades like this because it when I it kind of I can sometimes I can see the price action that it's not gonna really work out the way that I want it to, and I end up, manually taking myself out of the trade, which overall is not a good thing because I'll do that when I should really just hold on to the trade. Like this area here, the next trade that I took, this is the last trade that I decided to take because, I did the same thing here, which more than likely it would have ended up being a scalp anyway because of this pullback here, but I even could have got more if I would have held on to it for a little bit longer. And then, I saw this bounce here, or maybe, when this is a pretty big drop. So maybe when it pulled back, my exit might have been, in a better position than where I got out. But anyway, so all of these trades were green, and I ended up getting $100 today for which is a pretty decent progress. It's not great, but it's a step forward. Um, so after that last trade, and I realized I wasn't really following my plans and my rules, I decided, I kind of stopped paying attention and started doing some other things. I was like, if I'm not gonna trade right, then I just need to step away, and because if I keep not following my plan exactly, it eventually go against me. So I stopped after this trade. I was already green. Um, I saw this one, this next bear flag. I saw it forming up, and I saw it once it already had broke the area where I would have entered, but I wasn't trying to. I was already pretty much mentally checked out of trading for the day anyway. So I could have taken this trade, and I think it would have been a target hit. But you know, if I'm not following the rules, it's better for me to um, stay out of um, stay out of the market if I'm not gonna follow my rules. And then I was kind of looking at this area too, um, and really for this I would want to see some real pullback. You see, it's like really choppy. Um, I was looking I was looking for an entry. Like, I still wasn't really planning on taking a trade, but if I would have, I was, trying to see where I would enter. And I was looking for enter um, once I saw this kind of close, but, I didn't like I saw the wicks forming up, and I didn't like how, this doji here, and it looked like we was coming into some choppy action. So I didn't feel like this would be a good area to enter the trade. Even if I was gonna, if I was gonna take the trade, I didn't really feel like this would have been a good area to take the trade. What I would like to see is something, um, something, for the pull back a little bit here, and then we get a drop. I think that would be a better, um, a higher probability of that trade working out. You see, we're kind of just slowly grinding down. I think we're trying to, we got a battle between the Bears and the Bulls with the, if you look at the daily, it'll make more sense looking at the daily chart. You see, we got this area here. So a lot of people, you got to think about what, traders are trying to do here. A lot of traders, they see that the price bounced in this area. So you're going to have a lot of buyers here. And also you're going to have a lot of traders who, you're going to see the bears come in also thinking that the price could possibly, drop down even lower, maybe come back into this area one more time, or, so it makes sense that we have this, kind of this choppy price action here with, this with a lot of different traders trying to, go in both directions. So I'm pretty much done for today, and then I'll reset, come back tomorrow. Leave your questions and comments below. If you like my content, go ahead like my video and subscribe to my channel.